Good morning, students. I hope you all are well, enjoyed your 15 days vacation. So now again we will start our lectures. So we have done till exercise 5.5, and if you have any doubt you can ask me till 5.5. Now this is 5.6, which is based on the derivative of functions in parametric form. Parametric form means what? What is parametric form? Means this t and somewhere it is written theta, somewhere some other variable. So that is parameter. T is a parameter here. Now what is, how to solve this? You need to find dy by dx. So x is a function of t, y is a function of t. So you differentiate x with respect to t. So what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is equal to 4at. A is constant. Okay, same here. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt is equal to 4at cube. So this is there. Now what is dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is your dy by dt? 4at cube divided by 4at. T cancel, this will be square, a cancel, 4 cancel. So this is equal to t square. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equals to t square. Now next question, second one. This is dy by dx. Next is x equals to a cos theta and y is equal to b cos theta. Theta, here theta is a parameter. A and b are constant. So what is dx by d theta? Minus a sin theta. I hope you all remember the formulas for differentiation. Now this is dy by d theta. What is dy by d theta? Is minus b sin theta. So what is dy by dx? Is equal to dy by d theta over dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? Minus b sin theta over minus a sin theta. Minus minus cancel, sin theta cancel, so it is b upon a. These all are 1 mark question. It can be objective, it can be fill in the blanks, or it can be do as directed. Now I am not doing the third one, I am doing the fifth one. What is fifth question? It's x equals to cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So what is dx by d theta? Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta minus plus 2 sin 2 theta. 2 sin 2 theta. You can write minus sin 2 theta and then differentiation of 2 theta is 2. I have adjusted it before. So what is dy by d theta? Sin theta differentiation is cos theta. Sin 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta. Minus 2 cos 2 theta. So now since we have done many questions of differentiation, you can do it orally and you can skip few questions. So what is dy by dx? Is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. I have skipped one step here, so you also can skip. You can do this way directly. So what is dy by d theta? Is cos theta minus cos 2 theta. And this is minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. No need to do further calculations taking minus common in this way. So this is your answer. for this. Now next question, if I'll take the sixth one. Maximum time, sixth question asked for 2 marks. So these questions from this exercise, there are questions for 2 marks, 4 marks. Okay, so this now onwards your exercise from exercise 5.5, your all the exercises are important. So if I am doing question number 6, it's x equals to a theta minus sine theta and y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. Now differentiate. Theta is a parameter here. So dx by d theta is equal to a. What is the differentiation of theta? 1. What is the differentiation of sine theta? Cos theta. Then dy by d theta is equal to a. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. What is the differentiation of cos theta? Is minus sine theta. So this is nothing but minus a sine theta. So what is dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Why I am writing this step every time? So that you will come to know you have to do this upon this. Sometime what happen if we do directly, we will write this step first. So which will be wrong. So it's minus a sine theta divided by a 1 minus cos theta. A cancel. Here we can do it further. What is sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and what is 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. So 2 sine theta by 2 cancel. So you get minus cot theta by 2. Okay. Now, so this is blocked answer. If it is 1 plus cos theta, you have to write 2 cos square theta by 2. Since it is 1 minus cos theta, it is 2 sin square theta by 2. Question number 7 I'll do next time. Why I am telling you, it's very lengthy, and like if you want to get exact answer of the textbook, then it is very difficult. So don't waste time for that to solve it so many times. Okay, so you can next time means tomorrow I'll be solving question number 7 because it will take lot of space and lot of time also. Now next, if I am doing question number 8, what is 8? X equals to a cos t plus log 10 t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. Dx by dt is equal to a. What is the differentiation of cos t? It's minus sin t. What is the differentiation of log of 10t by 2? It's 1 by 10t by 2. What is the differentiation of 10t by 2? It's sec square t by 2. And what is the differentiation of t by 2? It's half. So this is the complete differentiation of this. And what is dy by dt? It's a cos t. Just write it in simple form. So this will be a, this will be minus sin t plus, what is this? This is cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2. Just writing 1 by 10t by 2 as cot t by 2. And what will be this is 1 by This is sec square t by 2 is 1 by cos square t by 2 into half. So this cos square and cos will get cancelled. So you get a into bracket minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2, and dy by dt is as it is. So this is a minus sin t plus 1 by sin t. See, I am doing it simple form. So this is a, you take LCM sin t, and this will be sin square t plus 1. So this will be a, this is cos square t divided by sin t. And what is cos square t divided by sin t? It's a cos t into cot t. And this is dy by dt. So what will be your dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt is a cos t, dx by dt is a cos t into cot t. Cancel and you get tan t. We check the answer, whether our answer is correct or not. So 8th question is tan t. So correct. So this way you have to solve the questions. You need to bring them in simpler form. Now students, you need to do the solved examples. So please don't get confused. Do all the solved examples also.